Introduction to Ruby and Python. Popularity and demand. Usability and community pros and cons. Choosing the right language, future outlook. When it comes to choosing a programming language, developers often weigh Ruby against Python. Both are high-level, general-purpose languages, praised for their ability to create concise, readable code. Yet, they differ in their philosophies and approaches to problem-solving. In terms of popularity, Python consistently outperforms Ruby, ranking 4th compared to Ruby's 12th in the 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. Ruby's popularity has seen a decline, while Python's growth continues, partly due to its broader application beyond web development. Ruby is known for its magical ability to enable creative solutions, but this can sometimes complicate debugging. Python, on the other hand, values explicitness and simplicity, making it easier to navigate codebases. Both languages boast strong communities and a wealth of resources, but Python's wider use cases have garnered it more support. Python is user-friendly, versatile, and enjoys a stable community. It's ideal for web development, machine learning, and academia. However, it's not as elegant as Ruby and can be slower. Ruby offers many web development features and developer freedom, but can be challenging to debug and is less popular than Python. If you're starting a project that doesn't require Ruby, Python is the recommended choice. It's more universally applicable, especially in fields like machine learning and data analytics. Python's simplicity also makes it a better starting point for beginners and teams needing clear, readable code. Despite rumors of its demise, Ruby remains a top 10 language, with major platforms like Airbnb and GitHub relying on Ruby on Rails. Python, however, is soaring in popularity, with no signs of slowing down. Its versatility and clarity continue to attract developers and companies worldwide.